This is where we build the hill. Armando decided to build a hill on the side of a hill. So this is where I build. My God, look where this guy is. Hello. Oh my God, look where he's going. These bulldozers, they just... What if he comes here? There is no way I can run. Oh man, look at this guy. Is like, how did he do that? That's why you have a caterpillar. Oh, that's caterpillar. That's for the reason. Look at the angle of that thing. See? This guy is like, he doesn't mind. He goes sideways on the side of the hill like there is no hill. He doesn't get scared. Well, I get scared. I don't want him to come down to the side of the hill. Man. He turns over there like a dime, which is good because he just keeps flattening the thing, putting pressure on the damn hill. That damn hill has so much pressure. That bulldozer is heavy.